No! Oh my god! No!
You don't want him to film you?
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And today, I'm trying to run away from George. He's over there. We've got a guest called Jimmy. No! Yes! No! Say hi!
Hi. George, you want me to change your phone?
Yes!
Chat, stop being me. You're going back.
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Yeah, but you've got to do that.
No one wants to see that. Why is he crawling?
George can't crawl.
Georgie, do you clean that?
In Mummy's phone. Today we're travelling inside Mummy's phone.
Oh, did you have a McDonald's? Nuggets. Did you have a McDonald's?
Did you have Tic Tac?
What did you have?
Oi.
Did you have a Big Mac meal?
Did you have chips? George?
Watch this, I'm gonna pause, I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna pause, watch this.
George?
Boop.
Boop.
George?
Boop.
George?
Oh, that's why.
You having a poo?
Mine! Mine!
Yours?
No, it's not. It's mine.
Share it, dude.
Mine! It's my YouTube
Got a share.
channel.
Got a share.
Jack, give it him back for now. Come on.
No, it's
Try
not
and
your
change it, but
YouTube
he's also trying to have a
channel.
play.
It's not your YouTube channel. I'm gonna hide on a pause. Okay, run for a bit. You're still in there. If you can even see me there. Hopefully he doesn't get me. George, it's my YouTube channel.
George, you're so old.
No. My YouTube
In
channel.
fact, it's Daddy's tab.
It's like going free with that camera.
That's Danny
Like
Maureen's YouTube channel.
Come on, let's change your bum bum and then we'll play.
No.
Change your bum bum and I'll open the playroom.
We should get on there and just go, hi Maureen!
You lie down, let me change your bum bum. Then you can go in the playroom.
This is your channel, not anymore.
If you come onto this channel to find Maureen Burtwell.
You're an idiot.
George,
Please
don't go on your
subscribe
head.
to me. Please, because I've got
How
9
do I open an account?
subscribers. You just go on camera, make a video and click YouTube.
What, I have to put something on?
Yeah.
Venky's out with a uke. Venky's out.
Venky's out, Venky's out,
What do you
Venky's
want,
out.
Venky's out? What?
If there's any Venky's watching this, I'll kick you out of the channel. Won't I, George? George?
No, George, don't eat it.
Show me what you did the other day when Mummy were telling me about it. When you went outside. Can you reenact
You
it?
Venky's.
I missed it.
Just-
Should I film you?
Yeah, film me, film
You
me.
don't need to go outside.
Yeah, film him and then...
George, do Venky's!
What made you think of saying that?
When you said the pound thing about stealing money just to get kicked.
Oh, well, they stole all that money.
Yeah.
Right, come on, mister. On here.
The bank still owe you money, did they?
Can you
George!
come on the trampoline with me now?
He just wants to chill out for a bit.
Then chill out.
Come on, Chris. Be nice.
When I've ended this video, can you?
You still filming?
Yeah.
Oh my job.
I really wanted to be like 29 minutes because all the other
Yeah, that'll just use
YouTubers
up
do
all
it.
your memory,
Yeah.
Jack.
I don't think
And
anyone
you're not
will want
filming
to watch
anything
this.
that anybody wants to watch. George!
Look, I'll do something interesting.
What?
George, if you have your nappy changed, I'll let you have some more chop.
Oh.
You can have another bouncy.
Sorry guys,
Is it the
I'm
gate?
showing the video now.
Do you want to go back to bed?
Thanks, Dad. Thanks.
Hulk's here.
If you enjoyed this video
I know
and
you want the Hulk
you've never
game.
seen, if this
He wants the Hulk game.
is the first video you've ever seen from me, Please don't leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, but sorry guys. But sorry.
Why is he saying okay?
I don't know.
Sorry.
So when I bought this big screen projector thing,
upstairs?
yeah, you've come back down. That we've barely used, haven't we? We've just kind of like.
You've got two. One's
I was
going
going to tell you
in the
this
dining
story.
room.
So when I opened that blind,
Stupid daddy.
they sent it. A courier brought it, and then as I opened it up in here,
God, why?
it was like damaged.
I'm gonna pause
Not
the video.
badly, but just like.
Yeah, yeah.
And then having a look at it, I said, I've looked at it. It's like got a rip on the bottom of it. I said, to be honest with you, I said, I can get some like black tape, fix that myself, and I can take the end off it, and I can see just through the part that's broken inside. If you send me the plastic thing on the end, I can fix it myself rather than looking about and sending it back to you. Like, I'm not after like a replacement or a refund. I just if you can send me that part, I'll fix it. I'm not bothered.
Say bye.
So they said, oh no,
Bye.
what we'll do is we'll
Say-
send you another one out.
Daddy, say bye, you stupid idiot, for making me end the video because of your burp. Thanks.
Oh, sorry. Bye.
Thanks, bye.